course. Pack this sumbitch up. No pack dip spit this video. Just gonna be packing, dipping, packing, dipping, you know, all this shit. So, get us a little pinch here. Oh, I dropped some. Oh, Bandit tried to get some of that sumbitch. He tried to eat some fucking skull cherry. There's a little pinch right there. Skull citrus time, mother truckers. Oh God. Please God, don't let me die today. Please don't let me fucking die today. A little citrus pinch. Now come on. A little bit of apple. Fuck. Why? Why do I do this for you mother truckers? Some of you mother truckers out there probably like this shit. You're like, oh, all them flavors, oh, I love it. It's like a fucking Skittles in my mouth. A little bit of peach. Crack this sumbitch up. Fuck. Peach. And last but not least, Skull freaking Furry! Oh, fuck, I'm so nervous to open this can. Oh, fuck. Oh, I don't want to smell it. I don't want to smell it. It can make me sick. Alright, let's get this mud jug in the dick.